understood why we studied chemistry and organic chemistry and all those formulas and that.
History, geography,
physical education.
I never understood it. It's just that the teacher used to come and tell us all the formulas, but why did we study it? I still don't know.
Chemistry, because whatever we've been taught in 10, it's all a lie by 11.
maths.
Maths?
It's just compulsory in school now, or else I don't want to study it.
Derivatives, logarithms and all. I don't know how it's going to help us in future.
Algebra, which comes with no use to me till date.
I love maths, but there are quite a few abstract topics that I don't understand why it's still being taught.
Hindi,
Value education.
I didn't know why I just studied and I wasn't getting any extra help or any way that I could use it for my future.
Because I think values come from within, it can't be taught.
I love all my subjects. History.
Social sciences, history.
If we don't want to study history and geography in the future, it's just useless. We just study it, write it in the exam and forget.
We study world history, which is not required. We must be knowing about Indian history.
Rather concentrate in our present days than past.
Pretty much everything.